Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create list on X. So if you want to create list on X, here's how you can get it done. You have to open the X app on your phone, then you tap on the icon, profile icon, then from there then you tap on list. So right here, if you have any list, you can find it, you can see your list, and the one list I have is Angel that I make it private and just ordinary 2 members. So right here I'm just going to create another set of lists. Then you input the list name, then from here you add this description, you add the description to your list, and same time you can decide if you want the links to be private or public. So if it is private, you just tap on this icon, then it turns to green. Now if it is public, you just turn it off, then you tap on create, and same time you can also add your profile. And this is, and you can see right here, recommendations are including something went wrong, maybe it's network, I guess something went wrong. But if you want to create this is the best and simple way for you to create your list. Then you tap on OK, then you can see there's a list here, and that's it. If I find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.